Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon Price Alerts feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and search for any kind of product. And once you've done so, you want to simply go ahead and look for the product you want to track and simply go ahead and open its details page just like that. Once you've done that, you can actually go ahead and enable the track. Here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the product and then click on the heart icon right over here, which is going to add it to your list. And every time its prices have been updated, it can be seen in your notification. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.